Hello and welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and if you are looking for more information on the topic of biophotonics, you have come to the right place. My name is Dr. Basudeb Lahiri. I am an assistant professor at the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering here at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and I am offering the course of biophotonics for the January session of the year 2021. Now, what exactly is biophotonics? Simply put, biophotonics deals with the interaction of light with biological matter. It fuses together concepts from photonics as well as biology and borrows ideas from vastly different fields such as optics, electromagnetism, biotechnology, nanotechnology, and medicine. Biophotonics fuses all these ideas, all these concepts to create exciting new technologies to solve real life problems. Real life problems such as early detection of a disease or finding therapy for a particular human ailment. Biophotonics perform this by interacting light with biological matter. Since biophotonics is an interdisciplinary topic, it could be suitable as an elective subject for participants from a various different educational background. You could be a physics student, chemistry or biology, or you could come from the engineering background with your specialty lies in electronics engineering, electrical engineering, or mechanical. You could be a nanotechnologist, a biotechnologist, or you could come from the field of medicine. If you have an open mind, plenty of imagination, and the courage to break through the boundaries of the comfort zone of your existing subject, there lies something very exciting for you at the topic of biophotonics. This is my guarantee to you as an instructor of the topic of biophotonics. Now, why do any of this? Why study interdisciplinary subjects? Wouldn't life be very much easy if we just stick to our own discipline? Well, my argument against it runs thusly. Presently, we are at the end of the year 2020. I do not know who you are, what your background is, or where you come from, but if I have to hazard a guess, I can bet that this particular year you have seen a lot of changes in your own life. Why is that? It is because of the global pandemic caused by the coronavirus infection. An infection that started at a remote corner of China very soon engulfed the entire planet, and hardly anyone living can say that their lives have not been changed profoundly by this pandemic. It's not just the healthcare sector that got affected. Vastly different fields such as education, tourism, travel and transport, economy, commerce, business, everything got affected. Now I ask you, if the challenge we are facing in our day-to-day life is multidisciplinary, can the solution for that be not multidisciplinary? If the problem that we are facing has no regard for the boundaries between different sectors, different fields and different disciplines, surely the answer for that problem has to be interdisciplinary as well. Biophotonics is one such interdisciplinary field that has shown enormous potential into solving real life problems such as rapid detection of pathogen for pandemic screening. We plan to study several such interesting topics for the duration of this course. Although biophotonics is a relatively newer topic when it comes to academic, we see examples of biophotonics all around us in nature. I'll give you two most common examples. The first one, photosynthesis. Sunlight, which contains bunch of photons, falls onto the leaves of plants, reacts with the protein, that is chlorophyll, creates chemical energy, and the byproduct of all of this is the oxygen that all of us breathe and sustain life. Here, light is interacting with the biological matter. Another example, vision, the ability to see. Here again, light, which contains photons, falls into our eyes, the cornea of our eyes particularly, gets focused by the lens, and finally falls onto the retina present at the back of our eyes. The retina acts as a transducer, converts these optical signals into neural signal and via the optical nerve transmit it to the visual cortex in our brain. Here the light get interpreted, we can see colors, we can see shades of brightness, and above all we are able to see this beautiful world around us. That is the prime example of biophotonics in action, where light is interacting with the biological matter which is our eye and our brain. Please join me as we explore the topic of biophotonics together. I wish you all the very best in your life and future endeavors. Thank you very much.